Hello and welcome to Multipurpose A5 Landscape Brochure template. My name is Maria. I'm a graphic designer and I'll be leading you through this tutorial. This is Chapter 1, Introduction, and here we're going to talk about the basics about downloading the fonts and what we are going to be talking about in the next chapter about editing the brochure in Adobe InDesign. So let's start. Once you download the file and extract it, you'll get the following folder structure. As you can see, you have two types of InDesign files. You have an INDD file, which is the basic InDesign file, and if you have InDesign CS 5.5 version or the newer one, you should open one of these. If you have the CS4 version, you should open IDML file. Now, the only difference between these two files is once you open IDML file, it will open up as untitled and you'll have to save it as INDD file to save your changes. Another thing you can see in this folder structure is the dummy images structures. All the images used in the template are placed here as dummy images, so you have two different ways of replacing the images in the main template, and we'll talk about it a little bit later in Chapter 2. First things first, first thing you need to do is open the info file to see whether or not you have all the fonts that have been used in this template. If you don't have the fonts used in this template, here are the links below each font name. All you need to do is just follow the link. You will open up and download it. Here you can see the download button. All you have to do is download the file. Let's open the folder. Okay, we're gonna extract it here. And if you have Windows 7 version or Windows 8, all you have to do is select the fonts, right click and go to install. If you have the earlier versions of the Windows, you'll have to go through Windows System folder, find the fonts folder, and then install these fonts through that folder. So that will be all when it comes to downloading the fonts. You can find a template on my website. You'll get the link posted down below. Here you can find the description, the information, and you'll get the short link to the tutorial of this template. Okay, that was it when it comes to Chapter 1. In the next chapter, we're going to be talking about editing the file in Adobe InDesign. We'll be talking about the basic tools we need to have open in order to edit this file, color editing, text editing, and image editing, and finally saving the file for your printer services. Thank you for watching and see you in Chapter 2. Bye.